Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Van, aka Side Hustle Addict. This is Side Hustle Addict. My name is Van. Doing another Amazon Flex tips and tricks videos. How to organize your route. I've done this one 2 years ago. I'm gonna do it again. Yeah. So we're using the GoPro head strap today. This one you have to scan all the individual packages, 1 to 50 or whatever. How many packages you got? This is a 3.5 hour route, 3.5 hour route. With Amazon Flex, you don't know how many packages or what area you're going to. The only thing you know is how long is the block and the location of the warehouse. That's all you know with Amazon Flex sub same day. All right, so we're waiting to check in and load up. All right, be back in a minute, huh? Oh yeah, by the way, if you enjoy the content, please smash the like, subscribe, and most importantly, go back to the YouTube app, turn on all notifications. Smash the like, subscribe, go back to the YouTube app, turn on all notifications. See you guys back in a minute. Alright guys, so at this warehouse, the RTS will scan your driver license. RTS will scan your driver license, and you pull up to into the lanes, and you scan the route, and you scan all the packages. Today we got a 3.5 hour route. That's what we got today. So could be up to 50 packages, could be as little as freaking 1 package. No free money today, so we'll see how it goes, huh? We'll record some more when we'll get some packages. Let me clear my back seat first, huh? All right. First thing first, scan the route. Today we got 46 packages. 46 packages. It's waiting to load. It's taking forever, man. Holy shit, what? Alright, scan all the packages. 27, 45, 27, be in the back seat. 9, front seat. This one's really big, so I put it in the trunk. Right in the trunk. Lots of big boxes. 18. 18. 30 in the trunk. 40. 130 in the trunk. Shit. 12. Five. Alright guys, let me take that back so you don't have to scan all the individual packages. I apologize. You just scan, like, you see those bags, you can scan the whole bag. There's a QR code on the bag. So you scan the bag, it would scan all the packages inside that that tote, that bag, you know, kind of like DSP. Yeah, so I apologize that that you have to scan individual packages, but you still have to organize them. So today we got some big packages, so we can do 1/3, 1/3, 1/3. We have to do you know, first 5 or so, and then second, third, last third. That's how we do it today. So there's a yellow sticker on the package or on the box. 120. It will tell you the order of the delivery, 1 to 50, so on and so on. So first third, front seat; second third, back seat; last third, trunk. Unless you have some big ass packages, then you know, you kind of switch up a little bit. What's the word? What's the word I'm looking for? It's fucking early for me. Yeah. It's 3:20 a.m. All right, let's go. Improvise, yeah. If there's a big ass fucking box like dog food or something, then you improvise. Just got some donuts. Red Bull. All right. We'll be yeah, got enough snacks and drinks for the whole route. Let's go. All right, we're at stop number 1. One is in the front seat. There's a yellow sticker. Just go by the yellow sticker. 1 to 45, whatever. Yellow sticker. See? All right, let's go. Probably dog food. Let's get it. Snap photo. Continue. Swipe. On to number 2. Let's go to number 2. Amazon. Just gotta snap a photo.
Okay.
Thank you, boss. Have a nice day.
Navigation started.
On to number 3.
East on South Laredo Circle.
On to number 3.
20 feet, turn right onto South Memphis.
On to number 3. On to number 3.
Sign. Turn left to stay on South.
On to number 3. Right. On to number 4. Alright, here to the next is 0.4 mile. 0.4 mile. Let's go. Alright, number 4 was the large box. Pretty big, so I put it in the trunk. So in case there's a large box, just remember it, you know. It's just large, it's not even heavy. Sometimes they put like a fucking micro SD in a large box. Yeah. All my DSP drivers know. A micro SD memory card in a big ass box. Alright, so number 4 is in the trunk. Alright, let's go. Alright, on to the next. Just watch out for ice and all that shit. On to the next.
Navigation started.
On to number 5. Let's go. So once again, yeah, with there's 2 types of Amazon Flex sub same day. One of them, you just scan the whole route and then you organize them yourself. The other one, you scan.
In 500.
Sorry, battery acting up. So one of them, you scan the whole route and you organize all the packages. The second type. Alright, sorry, earlier I was saying, yeah, for the second type of sub same day, you scan the whole bin and it will scan like all the packages in there. So my route has 4 bins or 3 bins, yeah, kind of like Amazon DSP. Yeah. So you don't have to scan all 45 packages. So once again, there's 2 types of sub same day. One of them, you just scan the whole route and then you organize all the packages. Second type, you scan the route and then you scan like 4 bins, 3 bins, whatever. Pretty simple, right? All right, see you guys back in a little bit. All right guys, so yeah, we finished our route just on time. 3.5 hours. Sun just rise. Yeah, so basically organize your route, scan the different bins or totes, whatever. Scan all the totes, and then the overflow are those big boxes or dog food, whatever. Scan all the bins, totes, organize them into third, and go deliver them. Yeah. But the toughest route is probably like yeah, when it's dark, 3 a.m. or after 5 p.m. during the winter. Yeah. It's a lot harder to deliver during nighttime than during the day, of course. And with Amazon Flex, just only accept them if it's on search or whatever. This one is not on search, but I just want to do tips and tricks for you guys. So Flex is, yeah, usually it searches during bad weather. So in Colorado when it snows, if you're in Florida or Texas when it rains, it's gonna search bad weather, or if some other driver drops the block. And for instant offer, you just go to schedule and turn on available now. That's the instant offer. And it helps if you're close to a Whole Foods. That's all for today. Yeah, see you guys on the next one. Hopefully this video helps. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe, go back to the YouTube app, turn on all notifications, and smash the like. Merry Christmas. See you guys on the next one.